In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Bluetooth driver on Windows 10 so you can easily connect wireless devices like headphones, speakers, keyboards, or a mouse. If Bluetooth is missing, not working, or not showing up on your PC, don't worry. This step-by-step guide is beginner-friendly and easy to follow. First, click on the Start button and type Device Manager, then open it. In the Device Manager window, look for Bluetooth in the list. If you see it with a warning sign or it says Unknown Device, that usually means the driver is missing or outdated. Now, right-click on that Bluetooth device and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find and install the correct Bluetooth driver for your system. If it installs successfully, restart your computer and check if Bluetooth is working. If Windows can't find the driver, don't worry, there's another reliable method. Open your web browser and go to your PC or laptop manufacturer's official website, such as Dell, HP, Lenovo, or Asus. Search using your exact model number and open the Drivers or Support section. From there, download the Bluetooth driver for Windows 10. Once the download is complete, double-click the file and follow the on-screen installation steps. After installation finishes, restart your PC. Now, click Start, go to Settings, then open Devices and select Bluetooth and other devices. Turn Bluetooth on, and you should now be able to connect your wireless devices without any issues. And that's how you install the Bluetooth driver on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials.